When a laboratory needs a climate chamber, the journey begins with BINDER. From the first inquiry to the final solution, every step is focused on one goal: creating technology that supports real laboratory work. At BINDER, engineering becomes production. Technical expertise, modern manufacturing systems and skilled people work together to create reliable climate chambers. Every component, every connection, and every detail is part of a precise process. Materials are organized, parts are formed, technology is integrated, and quality is checked throughout production. This is not just manufacturing. This is high-tech production with a clear purpose: to build chambers that perform reliably in laboratories worldwide. Before a BINDER chamber leaves the factory, it is measured, inspected, cleaned, and prepared for delivery. Only when every detail meets our standards, the product is ready for its journey. From Germany to laboratories around the world. BINDER. High-tech solutions for your lab.